Good morning, students. Today we will study about classification of algae. Classification of algae. First is chlorophysia, that is green algae, phaeophysia, that is brown algae, and rhodophysia, that is red algae. Chlorophysia, green algae. Unicellular means single cell. Colonical, they are found in colonies. Filamentous, filament type of structure. Usually grass green due to the pigment chlorophyll A and B in the chloroplast. Means that they will contain chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B type. The chloroplast may be discoid structure, plate-like structure, reticulate, cup-shaped, spiral, or ribbon-shaped. In different species, it's different. We can see this diagram, that is such kind of diagram. There's different kind of shape is there. They all contain chlorophyll A and B. Here also we can see the various shape of chloroplast of Chlamydomonas. Most of them have one or more perinoid, that is storage body, located in the chloroplast. Perinoid contains protein besides starches. It contains starch as well as protein. Some algae store food as oil droplets. They have rigid cell wall made up of an inner cellular layer and an outer pectose layer. With the help of diagram, we can understand this. With the help of this is the flagella, that is for the movement, contractile vesicles, Golgi, nucleus, pyrenoid. This is thylakoid membrane. The outermost cell, that is cell wall, mitochondria. This is the structure of Chlamydomonas. Most example is Volvox, Chara spirogyra. Most of them have one or more pyrenoid. It may be one or two in number located in the chloroplast. Pyrenoid contain protein beside starch. Some algae store food as oil droplet. They have a rigid cell wall made up of inner cellulose layer and an outer pectose layer. You can understand with the help of diagram also. Volvex. This is the structure of Volvex, and this is daughter colonies. Parent colony means that initial colonies. After that, they give birth to daughter colony. This is the structure. Again, Spirogyra. You can see this Spirogyra. Lithorix. This is Chera here. Such kind of axial. The branches you can see, these kind of branches. They show reproduction, vegetative reproduction, asexual and sexual reproduction. That is vegetative through, that is fragmentation and formation of different type of spores. Asexual biflagellated zoospore produced in zoosporangia. Sexual reproduction, that is isogamous and isogamous and ogamous. Already I have explained in that previous class. And this you can see with the diagram that this is the gamete. They will join to form twin zygote. Zygote will form zygospore. Again meiosis will take place and a full mature adult will grow. Finally, again from meiosis it will change. So this is the life process in the sexual case, and this is the asexual reproduction. Next is brown algae, that is Phaeophysia. They are mostly marine. They show great variation in size and forms. They range from simple branched filamentous to profusely branched form. Example, kelps 100-meter in height. They have chlorophyll A and C, carotenoid and xanthophylls. They contain all these chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, carotenoids and xanthophylls. That's why, due to the presence of all these pigments, the color is brown. They vary in the color from olive green to brown depending upon the amount of xanthophyll pigment, fucoxanthin. And these are the example: Ectocarpus, kelp, that is totally marine. These examples: Sporonus, Dicotota, Seragus. Food is stored as complex carbohydrate, laminaria or mannitol. The vegetative cell have a cellulosic wall covered by gelatinous coating of algine. Protoplast contains plastid central vacuoles and nucleus. Plant body is attached to substratum by an holdfast and a stalk, that is tip, and leaf-like photosynthesis organ, that is frond. Example is Ectocarpus, Dicyota, Laminaria, Sargassum and Fucus. With the help of this diagram, we can understand this. Laminaria strip is there, frond, this is holdfast, that is fucus, midrib, ear bladder, frond strip, diatoeta. This you can see this. Reproduction. They also show vegetative by through fragmentation, asexual by zoospores, and sexual via an isogamous and ogamous and isogamous. Union of gamete occur in the water within the ovarium. Gametes are pea-shaped, barely two laterally attached flagella. We can understand with the help of this diagram. So, this is gametophyte. This is gamete. Gamete fusion take place. This form zygote. From zygote to new sporophyta plant. And now sexual reproduction, that is take place. Meiosis. From meiosis, mitotic division and haploid structure. This is the life cycle of algae. Now, rhodophysia, that is red algae, they contain red thalli due to the red pigment, that is R phycoerythrin. Majority are marine, especially in warmer area. They occur in both well-lighted region close to the surface of water at great depth in the ocean where relatively little light penetrates. Means that light, the area where light comes less. This is Porphyra, Polysiphonia. This totally mine. Most of them are multicellular, have complex body organism. The food is stored in Floridian starch, which is structurally very similar to amylopectin and glycogen. Example: Polysiphonia here, Porphyra, Gelidium, Gracilaria. These are the examples of red algae Reproduction vegetative through fragmentation, asexual that is non-motile spores, sexual via ogamus. By non-motile gamete, it has complex post-fertilization development. In that post-fertilization, after fertilization event is quite complex. This is this life cycle of Polycynophonia. This is tetraspore. From tetra you will be two. This is gametophyte. From this spermatia will come, and this carpogonia, that fertilization here take place. From fertilization again that axillary cell will change, and their number of changement will come, and through meiosis finally a new organism develop. This is the comparison between all. The most important chart of this means that you can compare all these three on the basis of their name. That is Chlorophacia is green algae, that Phaeophacia is brown, and red is Rhodophacia. Major pigment here is in the first case chlorophyll A and B, second case A and C and fucoxanthin, and third A and D and phycoerythrin. Store food in the form of starch, especially green algae. In the case of brown, it is mannitol. In the case of red algae, it is Floridian starch. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. In all the cases, cellulose, but in the brown, it is cellulose as well as algine. Flagellar number 2 or 8, apical, 2 unequal lateral, absent habitat, fresh water, salt water, and brackish water. Fresh water, salt water, brackish water. So based on this, you can compare among all three classes of algae. Thank you for today.